Alright guys, we got a 2010 ACURA TSX, and that bulb right there, the owner killed that bulb, alright? Told him to fix it, and now he got a couple of tickets. Alright, this bulb is good, but that bulb is no good. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, we're gonna turn off the lights and turn it back on. It's gonna flicker. Alright, it didn't flicker this time, but it goes on and off. So this is the bulb. We're gonna change this bulb. It's a big job, right? Alright guys, so this is the new bulb, and I got the old bulb out, and I did not remove anything like the monkey that I had working with me. He did the opposite side years back. But if that monkey's watching, monkey, don't forget that connector you left behind like last time. Alright? Alright, yeah, so I had a guy years back, and what he did was he changed that bulb, and he forgot to put the connector in. On this side, you're gonna have to remove a hell of a stuff. If you're lucky, you'll be able to reach it from right there. If not, then remove the bumper, right? But this is a new bulb. There's the part number. There's a number on the bulb. This D2S bulb right there. This is the old one. You can see the little guy in there. It turned brownish. So the bulb, if you put it inside, you see these little notches right there, it's gonna be facing up, right? And all I did was I took off the ground here. You see the ground cable sitting right there? And this is the ground I took off because it gave me a little bit more clearance here. I took off this ground from my head. It's a number 10 millimeter. Then I turned this guy counterclockwise, and to put it back, you're gonna turn it back clockwise. And there's like a little, the HID connector right here, this big fat connector. You can reach it all from here. Then it has two little clips in there, which you're gonna have to push back. Hopefully you can see in there. You see that right there? Those two little clips right there, right? There's one on each side. If you don't remove those, it's not gonna come out, alright? So I'm gonna put this all back together, then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, I'm done. So be careful, this is high voltage. There's a sign right there on the cover. I got the cover back on. You'll see a warning sign, alright? So be careful, alright? This is almost 10,000 K voltage right there. So put the ground back in, got the cover on, got the connector on, the little thing in the back of the, it had the, see this right here? The bulb has a little ear, so you're gonna have to snap on the connector on the back of it, just twist it on, right? Clockwise. And you're all done. And all I used was a mirror to look down there. But you seen it on my video what it looked like. Use the number 10 right here for that. And I use this to push the cover to turn it because I wasn't able to get good hands on it. And that's it. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos. Alright guys, it's done. I'm gonna show you the bulb now. Here it is. Go ahead. There you go. Bada bing, bada boo times two. Alright, that's it.